Hello and welcome to my channel. I've got a fun new Halloween cupcake design if you're still looking for some treat ideas for this weekend. I've colored some buttercream black and neon green, and here are the tips you'll need. I'll be using a small open star tip. The one I'm using in this video is not labeled, but I would compare it to about a tip 18 size. I'll also be using a tip 869, a tip 16, and a tip 2. I liked the black and purple sprinkles from this Galaxy sprinkle mix, so I used those along with some candy eyeball sprinkles. With the small open star tip, I piped a small spiral border around the edge of the cupcake. These are typically seen on cake tops with a larger tip, but I like to make them on cupcake tops as well for a more unique design. We'll take a closer look at it again here in a second. One big squeeze of the 869 tip gives you the pumpkin, and then the tip 16 gives you the stem, and the tip 2 gives you the vines. My small open star tip and my tip 2 are sharing a buttercream bag, so I'm using a coupler to change them over. When piping a spiral border, squeeze a little bit to anchor it to the cupcake, and then while spinning your turntable or turning the cupcake in your hand, make small swirls over and over, lying the last one on top of the other until you reach the end. When I pipe a pumpkin like this, I give one big squeeze, push down a little, and let go. The tip 16 stem goes right on top. Squeeze, pull out slowly, give a little curl and release. And the vines are just little squiggles, and these can be in any direction. I then added sprinkles and eyeball candy around the border, and that was it. Have a happy and safe Halloween weekend, and thank you very much for watching.